Hi, so I'm going to show you the painting that we'll be working on and all the materials that we'll be needing. First of all, here's the painting. And you can see there's a gold disc moon made from Dutch metal. And lots and lots and lots of detail in the painting. And the lovers, the guitar, the flowers, the birds, and the tree, the decorated tree. And of course, now I need to show you all the materials that we will be needing. So first of all, let's go to the stencils. I have a variety of stencils. The one that we used in this painting was this one, and I bought it from Amazon. Now we have a selection of paints. I happened to buy, for this one, Daler Rowney in a variety of colours, from black, yellow, white, cadmium red, sap green, yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, Mars black, and I also have Winsor & Newton purple. And I'll send you a list of everything you'll need. Now we have decoupage paper, and you can get different kinds. Just choose one that you like. I used this one in the painting. This is actually decoupage paper at the bottom, painted over. So it looks like part of the painting. It is part of the painting. It's integral. I used Dutch metal, which is gold leaf like, but much, much cheaper. And you can buy it in these little booklets of gold leaf. Also, I have a variety of pens, Posca pens, yes. Here they are, wonderful things. And I bought them online, Amazon, I believe. And you can also get them in art stores, but sometimes it's quite hard to find the right ones. These are very fine tipped ones. Very good for using the detail, the fine detail that we use over here for the leaves and the roses and the guitar and the detail on the tree. These are wonderful, these Posca pens for that. And I use a lot of the white, so always make sure you have a white. The variety of brushes, I have many, as I've been a painter for so long. Different tips and widths, and some very fine tipped. I also find very important is a bristly brush like this for stippling and for stenciling. And this is almost like a child's gluing pen. It's a very cheap brush, and it's wonderful and for dry brush work and stippling. And yes, so lots and lots of different tips and widths. You won't need too many. I mean, I've got absolutely loads of brushes because I get through them. Decoupage glue here, or decoupage. I like to use the French word. That's decoupage glue there, which is very important. It also acts as a wonderful varnish for the final painting, for the protection of the painting. Also, very important, you need to get an ordinary household decorator's brush, just for varnishing and glazing. And if you have one, which I use this lovely duster brush, I've had it for absolutely years, which is good for softening. And a palette, very importantly, palette. You can use more or less anything you like, a plate or a piece of board, as long as it's pretty much waterproof. And jars for water. I've got lots. Jars, and a cup I use to turn over and prop my painting up on. Simple things like that you'll see during the progress of the painting. Kitchen towel for mopping up spillages and for picking up over too much paint on the canvas. And importantly, this is what we used as the surface to paint on, which is acrylic paper, and it comes in a pad, so you can buy it for lots and lots of paintings, and it's very, very thick, and it's almost got the texture of canvas. And this one measures 12 by 16 inches or 30.5 centimeters by 40.5 centimeters. And I think that's all the materials you'll need, and lots of cups of tea or herbal tea, and lots of love and enjoyment.